So, hello and welcome to the journey of English Talk. Yes, this is Pragati, and I am here because as I decided to start my English practice and sharing some videos with you continuously so that I can improve my English in front of camera. So many methods were like speaking in front of mirror or speaking in front of camera. These both are same where uploading videos and practicing English in front of this camera may become my habit and I will become regular. Since I was confused and irregular regarding my practice, so my English is not that much good. And for speaking a fluency, speaking English with fluency is basically comes from practice. And if you don't having practice, then you cannot practice English. As my English is quite good but not that good, so I have seen so many people are starting practicing from scratch, but at a time they become a pro speaker. So if you are stuck in any place of your journey, then start going and please start, because starting is the basic step which we need to put in our journey. If we have started, then it will show the result of our journey, or we will come to at a stage where we can feel proud. Yes, I know you all are chasing your dream, so keep going or please start, because starting or keep going is basic step where we can show our potential. Many of you have confusion that how can I start or how can I improve. So many steps will be there, but that step cannot be taken suddenly or in one day. It will take time, but yes, we should have some patience if we have started anything. And second, the most important thing is, if you have any abstraction, or that abstraction is made, and that abstraction made you to stand at a single place and you cannot move to a journey, so always remember that if you want to shift any the big rock from one place to another, then it will take much effort than that rock which is already in movement. So always in movement, it may be small movement or large movement, but keep going. And always in moment, don't stuck at any part of your journey. So guys, for today it is okay right now. It is much enough for me, because I can, as you can see that I am not able to speak much. It is very challenging for me, but yes, not impossible. It is not like impossible. I will try and you will show me in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.